Good day guys, welcome to the channel. So do you need to print your RyanAir boarding pass from the app? Even though RyanAir is going paperless, some airports still require a printed copy. So here's how to do this. Open my RyanAir app and sign in, go to my bookings, find your flights and ensure you've checked in. Your mobile boarding pass should be visible with the QR code. After that, airports in places like Morocco, Turkey, and Tirana still require a printed boarding pass due to local rules. Verify if your departure airport is on the No Mobile Pass list. Tap Download Boarding Pass or Save to Wallet. If the app doesn't support a direct print option, tap Email Boarding Pass to send the PDF to yourself. Open the PDF from your email on a device connected to a printer, and just print the boarding pass, ensuring the barcode and QR code is sharp and full page. Cropping or low resolution can lead to scan failures. If you didn't get the PDF in your email, go back to the boarding in-app and tap Resend Boarding Pass or check the spam folder. And that's how you print your RyanAir boarding pass from the app the right way. Like and subscribe guys for more travel tech tips, and of course, thank you for watching.